Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make coconut milk. Homemade coconut milk is very healthy and I most time use it in cooking because of how the flavor enhances my dishes and make them look so creamy. The only ingredient we have here is coconut. As you can see, I've cracked it open with the sharp object you see me holding. You can crack the coconut open with any sharp object of your choice, but you have to be very careful when doing this so that you won't hurt yourself. Alright, once I'm done cracking the coconut open, I will prime or remove the coconut meat from the shell, and that is very important. You have to be very careful when doing it because the shell is very sharp, so if you're not careful enough you might hurt yourself, and I wouldn't like you to do that. Yeah, I want to ask, how do you get your coconut milk? Do you buy from the shop or you make yours at home? Please start making your coconut milk at home today so that you'll be sure of what you are eating, and be sure that you are eating the coconut milk 100%. And I'll be placing the benefit of coconut milk on the screen so that you'll be sure of what you are eating and the benefit of what it keeps to your health. Once I'm done priming out the coconut meat, I will go ahead to remove the outer part of the coconut, which is the brown part of the coconut, or the back part of the coconut flesh or meat, and so that the coconut milk will be clear and white as snow. And at the same time, when the coconut's back is scraped, the flour from the coconut will be very smooth and beautiful, that any eye that behold it will really like it. Yeah, meanwhile beautiful family, I will keep scraping the back of the coconut just like so, and once I'm done doing it, I will get back to you with the scraped coconut meat washed off the camera. Okay, I'm done scraping the back of the coconut. As you can see how clean it looks now. Next is to chop it up with a knife or grater. Okay, if you are using knife, just cut it the size your blender can be able to carry so that it won't spoil the blade of your blender. But for me, I just want to show you the example of how you can use knife to do it. I'm going to use grater because grater save a lot of my time. Okay, and it is very easy, super easy for that matter. Homemade coconut milk are the best and very healthy, and there is no preservative or whatsoever. It is very important to be sure of what you are eating. For that reason, I will be dropping some of the health benefit of fresh coconut milk as I earlier said, and they will be popping up the screen just as you keep watching. After grating it, this is how it looks. Can you see how beautiful it looks? And it will be very easy for your blender to catch it up, and even without your blender blending it, you can easily pour it inside water and squeeze out the coconut milk. Yeah, once I'm done grating the coconut, next is to carefully transfer it to my blender and add water depending on the quantity I added at the go. Okay, and blend until very smooth. If I may give a little advice when making your coconut milk, please do not use too much water on the grated or chopped coconut milk. Let's say if you are using 1 cup of coconut milk, let it be 1 cup of water. Do not use 2 cups of water for 1 cup of coconut. Okay, if not, your milk will not come out creamy and nice. 1 cup of chopped coconut or grated coconut goes to 1 cup of water, so that after making the coconut milk, the milk itself will come out so creamy and nice, and you yourself that made the milk will be so happy for the outcome. The coconut is perfectly blended. Next is to use a clean bowl and place a strainer on it to separate the milk from the byproduct. Can you see how sparkling the white look? I love this. I am done, and this is the byproduct of the coconut. I'm going to spread it out and allow it to dry because I'm going to use the flour for another recipe. Please note, if you are making a coconut oil, make sure you blend this again for more milk, or add more water to be sure all the milk is out. On this case, we are making just the real milk, not water. Okay. Once that is done, I will use my cheesecloth placed on my strainer again to make sure all the coconut water is totally free from all particles or byproducts. And after doing that, can you see what I got? Just a tiny thing and this is so good and easy. When everything was totally done, I transferred the milk in my airtight container and I use it within 5 to 1 week, and I use it to prepare this delicious coconut fried rice. It was so delicious. I also dried the byproduct and I use the byproduct, which is the flour, for my coconut cake, and it was absolutely delicious and my children love it so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and join my family by subscribing with your bell on to be notified anytime I upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching, and we will sure see you in our next one. Bye bye.